Hello friends, 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 hello friends. I'm Narendra Verma once again before you. So in present session, we are going to talk about only meaning of planning, definition of planning, and features or characteristics of. Now we can understand the importance of management. So I have plotted a diagram here. You can see that. So by this diagram we can understand this is the one business enterprise which is. So for the balance sheet, the question you can see on your screen. Now let's talk about non-cash expense. Let's understand these steps one by one. The very first is identification and division of work. See, this V stands for better performance, I stand for 2397, and it is the outstanding. So that is what the complete definition given in Indian Partnership Act about partnership. Now the last step is there to calculate the value of goodwill. I just mentioned. So after understanding the treatment, let's discuss the general entries related to treatment of goodwill. Ajay will get 6,000 from Reena. मुझे अपनों के लिए वक्त निकालना और उनके साथ वक्त बिताना आता है। दूरियां भी मिट जाएंगी, मजबूरियां भी मिट जाएंगी, तू बस हौसला रख। हारा नहीं, बस थोड़ा सा थका हूँ मैं। अपने लक्ष्य से ना कभी पीछे हटा था और ना ही अब हटा हुआ हूँ। Where the fear has no scope, there is a